If you've bought something on eBay and need a receipt for records, reimbursement, or proof of purchase, there's a simple way to get it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get a receipt from eBay using the best method. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to view, download, or request a receipt easily. First, open the eBay website or app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to My eBay and navigate to the Purchase History section. Here, you'll see all the items you've ordered. Find the item you need the receipt for and click on View Order Details. This will open a page showing complete information about your purchase, including the item price, shipping cost, taxes, and payment method. In many cases, this order details page itself acts as your receipt. You can print this page directly or save it as a PDF by using your browser's print option. This is the quickest and most reliable method. If you need a more formal receipt or invoice, you can contact the seller. Click on Contact Seller and request a proper receipt with their business details. Most sellers are happy to provide one, especially for business purchases. For multiple items purchased from the same seller, you can also request a combined invoice before payment so that everything appears on a single receipt. If you're a seller looking for fee receipts, you can go to the Seller Hub or Payments section and download your monthly financial statements. In this tutorial, we learn how to get a receipt from eBay by using the Order Details page, printing or saving it, and requesting a formal receipt from the seller if needed. This helps you keep proper records of your purchases. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.